Second reading, a reading from the letter of Paul to the Romans. Certainly the promise made to Abraham and his descendants that they would inherit the world did not depend on the law, but it was made in view of the justice that comes from faith. Hence, all depends on faith. Everything is a grace. Thus, the promise holds true for all Abraham's descendants, not only for those who have the law, but for all who have his faith. He is Father of us all, which is why Scripture says, I have made you Father of many nations. Yes, He is our Father in sight of God, in whom we believe, the God who restores the dead to life and calls him to be in those things which had not been, hoping against whom Abraham believed, and so became the father of many nations, just as it was once told him, numerous as these shall your descendants, that they will descendants be. Thus his faith was credited to him as justice. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.